Hello friends, welcome to Stock Market Pulse. I'm Nitika. Let's shake the pulse of a stock market. So as I promised, I'm here again with the stock and news. I will discuss the stock name and related news, and then I will discuss its fundamental and buying level also for the investment. So to know the name of the stock and the related news and its buying level, stay connected till the end and smash the like button now and subscribe the channel for regular update of the index and stock in news buying level. So let's start the video with the name of the stock which is in news, and I will say the stock is in focus also, and you have to keep watch on this stock, and the stock name is NTPC. NTPC is a parent company where NTPC Green Energy, a subsidiary of the NTPC, is going to launch its much awaited rupees 10,000 crore IPO. Yes, IPO means initial public offering, and this is going to launch in first week of the November, means first week of November. The NTPC Green Energy is going to launch its IPO, biggest IPO ever. After LIC, the second biggest actually in 24-23, the biggest IPO of the 10,000 crore IPO. The most important thing that this PSU IPO, this NTPC is a PSU company, as you all know about this. So this has been actually on the radar of the investors, that has filed the DHRP. What is DHRP? The draft red herring prospectus with the SEBI, and now they will file for the RHP, and that RHP date will be the actually date for the buying this stock. So what you have to do actually, when you are applying for the IPO, you can apply in a shareholder quota also. So the shareholder quota you will only get when you will have the share stock of the parent company. If any company is coming with its subsidiary of IPO subsidiary, so they will file the RHP. When they are going to file RHP, we don't know. I will update about this, but yes, DHRP has been filed, and RHP, if they are filing RHP, that will be your last date to buying the share of the NTPC, which is parent company. So why you should buy? If you will have the share of the NTPC, you will get a quota of shareholder quota. You will get the quota for getting it, means you can say a preference, or we can say a reservation, or anything you can say in your language, but you will get a quota of getting allotment of that IPO, means NTPC Green Energy IPO. तो एक small preference होता है for the shareholder of the parent company. Only buying one share of this parent company like NTPC, you will be eligible for the shareholder quota. Yes, only one. Yes, one quantity, minimum one quantity is required to get eligible for the shareholder quota. This was important information about this NTPC Green Energy IPO, and this parent company is more in focus because of this IPO. Yes, if this IPO is coming, NTPC will also show some movement. 10% of the total issue is for the shareholder. Okay, so this is the important information about this. So keep in your mind the date of the record date of the buying NTPC parent company share for getting shareholder quota, and this date is not clarified yet because the NTPC has not filed RHP, so that I will update later on. But you should know now only that at least one NTPC share buying is very important to get the quota. Now I will discuss what is happening in NTPC. So as you know, NTPC is a very good PSU stock, and it is moving from last 1 year. I say just 1 year. It has shown a very good movement, very good run up, and is it still in a uptrend. I will discuss the fundamental also, but you please be mindful with the IPO information just I have mentioned, as just I have discussed. These all things you should keep in your mind before a record date of the buying this NTPC share. Let's discuss the NTPC fundamental. If I say तो NTPC, as you all know, this is a thermal power corporation, एक power company है जो कि it is coming in a green energy, solar energy also. So NTPC is actually in a business of power uh, generating company. If we see the market cap of the NTPC, you can see here it is a 4,22,970 around crore, around means 4,22,970 crore का इनका market cap है, which is a large cap company. And if you see stock price, stock P, it is a 19.8. So as it is trading now, currently it is trading at 436. I will discuss its technical levels also, so that you will come to know what is happening in the stock price level, what price action is happening in NTPC. But before that, let me discuss that its current price is 436, and that also you will come to know that which level you should buy this stock. So if you are interested in long term also, or if you are applying for the quota, shareholder quota for applying for IPO, you can, even one share you can buy, there is no price issue. So this currently trading price is 436 around. Stock P is 19.8, which is actually very, I will say it is actually undervalued, because industry P is a 39 and stock P is around 19 or 20. So it is actually on a very good valuation. It is a very available on a cheap price. ROCE is 10.5 and RO is 13.6, which I will not say very attractive, but yes, it is very reasonable. It is good actually. Dividend is very good of the NTPC, is 1.78%, which is actually, I find, more than 1% dividend is very good. Debt to equity is 1.48 and EPS is 22, and yes, operating profit margin is 28, and price to book value is 2.63, which is equal to its industry's price to book value. So I find it also here, it is also very reasonably valued, or I can say even undervalued also, because of stock P and price to book value. So this was overall fundamental. You can see the stock is looking, as fundamentally it is looking very good. Yes, you can decide your own with the more detail and the stock quarter results. You can get more detail of the NTPC fundamental. Now let's jump to the technical level. If you see, I have drawn this line, this one, and this is a trend line, and this is another trend line. I want to show you the picture what is happening since last month, I can say in last year also, in NTPC. You can see here, if we go last year, it's last year September 20 September, yes, last year September 23. If we go, see, it was trading around at 240 200 के आसपास ये सितंबर 2023 में ट्रेड कर रहा था. It was trading at this level, and this was actually little bit resistance. But from here, from 250, it has given a very strong breakout here, and from here it has never looked back. From here it was only going up and up and up and now up. So what happened here? Here it was a very good breakout happened in last, I can say, July. A very strong breakout happened, and from there 380 around, yes, 380 के आसपास a very good breakout came in NTPC, and from here again it has touched the 420, even more than that, and from 420 then it was, since last I can say 4 5 weeks actually, we can say 1 2 3 4 5 6 week it was retesting, means from 420 25 to this the earlier level which was 390 400 around, 400 तो नहीं कहूँगी, yes 380 कह सकती हूँ जहाँ पे इसका ब्रेकआउट आया था. From since here since last 4 5 week it was taking a support. It actually it has retested till here. It has taken long time. Yes, it was consolidating also. Since 4 5 week it was consolidating, but from here taking a good support at 390 380 around, and yes 385k around, and from here then again it has taken the upward journey, and here it has even once even in this week, last week, yes, last week it has taken a resistance, and see this week it has again given a new breakout, fresh breakout, and this shows, and this has actually I can say this is happening because of this IPO news also. Because of this stock is in news, as I already mentioned that this stock is in focus, this stock is in news because of this NTPC Green Energy IPO. So from here the people are very interested in this stock for the IPO. Believe me, this IPO is going to be a blast, means this IPO is very actually demanding, I can say. So because of this the people are buying this stock here, and this has given a fresh breakout and a clear breakout, and from here if you enter here, okay, if you enter here you will get means since IPO is coming, as I already discussed and mentioned the date नहीं आया है actually, the week it is coming in first week, the IPO is coming in first week of the November, and before that but we have to check the RHP date. So if it is coming the first week of November, till then it is going to show, it is going to give a very good move till then. So this stock is looking very attractive here. Yes, it may retest again, I don't yes, it may retest again till here 420 to 425. People want to enter here, they can enter, even if it's breaking it also. This is the very good support for the NTPC, which is 385 around, I will say, yes 385 के आसपास. It is a very 388 के around 388 के पास में it has a very good support, and from here it may take again an upward journey. So be mindful with this level which I am telling you, the 385, and this level which is 425. 385 and 425 is a very important level. If it's breaking, don't get scared that it's going to fall. No, here it may take support. If it's breaking this level also, then it may be a problem, but I don't find it is going to happen if very bad news is not coming. So this can be a very good support to buy. If it's not coming here, this is also a very good support because it already have given the fresh breakout. And yes, what we can say about the target, so if you are investing for long term, there is no target. Stock is always going up and up. So yes, 500 is very soon on the chart, but yes, you are investing for a long term return for your wealth creation. For investment purpose, you can hold the stock for long term. If you have taken for the only shareholder quota eligibility, you can exit. That all is your decision. This was a stock in news information, the IPO, NTPC Green Energy IPO, and the fundamental of NTPC, and the buying level for the investment, and buying for the getting eligible for invest shareholder quota. That all news I wanted to discuss. This stock is very important to keep in your watch list and to keep in your mind about this NTPC Green Energy IPO. And if you have any question regarding this stock or any other stock or any other index levels or any stock market query, you can comment me in comment box, and DM me also on the Instagram and Twitter, and ID is in my bio. And yes, like and share also for the more reach for the other people also. And yes, subscribe the channel for regular update of the Nifty and index levels and the stock in news. Signing off.